everyone, Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 1-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as I had said before, I'm going to be going over the 1-1 work together. In the last video that I recorded, I read over the 1-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, I'm going to be going over the 1-1 work together, where we will be learning about how to complete the accounting equation. So the instructions say, write the answers to the following problem in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1, for each line, fill in the missing amount to complete the accounting equation. Okay, so in the last video, we learned about the accounting equation and that assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. And we are going to be using Google Sheets to help us solve this problem. So let me go over to that right now because I've typed it up. Okay, so if you look here, I have yellow spaces where we need to figure out assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. So the first one is assets. And if you remember, assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm in Google Sheets, I'm going to type in equals sum. And then I'm going to do B2, which is liabilities, and that's 3,000, plus C2, which is owner's equity, and that is 8,000. And that will give me 11,000. So our assets are 11,000 because if we take our liabilities and add them to our owner's equity, that will give us our total, which is 11,000. Now, number 2 says that we have to figure out liabilities. And we are given the assets and our owner's equity, and we need to figure out our liabilities. So the way that we're going to do this one is I'm going to do equals, and then I'm going to take A3, which is the assets, and that's 10,000, and I'm going to subtract them from our owner's equity, which is C3, and that is 6,000, and that will give me 4,000. So our liabilities are 4,000 because if we take our liabilities and add them to our owner's equity, that will give us our assets. And then number 3, we have to figure out owner's equity. So we are given our assets and our liabilities, and we have to figure out owner's equity. And the way that we're going to do that is just like before what we did with the liabilities. We're going to take the assets and subtract them from the liabilities. So I'm going to do assets, which is 63,084, and subtract them from our liabilities, and B4, that's 35,000, and that will give me 28,000. Because if we take 35,000 and add it to 28,000, that gives us 63,000. So that is the 1-1 work together. In the next video, I will be reading over the 1-2 text. All right, thank you.